91 S-10 4.3. It's the 4x4 door hinge replacement, part 5. Part 5. Yeah, part 5. So, what we got here is the flashlight fell. So, what we got going on here is I replaced that pin in bushing, and I replaced that pin in bushing. And in order to do that, I must first remove this spring here. I pried it out with a screwdriver, big screwdriver thing. I was real careful. I wore safety glasses. And then, well, you got to support the door and everything. But then I had to get the little clip thing off of this old one and hammer that through. And the same thing on the bottom. The bottom, you go from the bottom up. So, anyway, I got it done. It took me, anyway, this project should take you about maybe an hour if you're good. You know, some hour or two, maybe, if you're good. So it's done. And need to do a little more adjusting. I don't know, I reckon I might have to replace this. I'm not sure. It seems a little worn out. And the door's still kind of hard to shut. I mean, it shuts good. And I think this might be kind of worn out too. I got a little damage on it right there. Doesn't look too bad. But it's loud now when you shut it. And that was only part way. And that was only part way. So, you still gotta slam it, but you don't have to slam it as hard. But I'm gonna fix that too.